Chocolate ice cream on your tight tan face, lying on the hammock and staring into space. I'm a melody, then it's gone without a trace. Feel the ridges, the valleys, the ridges of your bones. Well, I paint my name on your skinny copper tone, and you cheat on your homework over the phone. Oh, sweet and sad. I didn't cry when I heard the news of your suicide. I just saw you sitting there, sweet and sad. I took the blow and it cast my memory back to playing paper football in the back of class. Driving now just to go and mark the gossips at the mall, and talk of movie stars and losers in the bathroom stall, and frame my names in heart on cracked white tile wall forever and ever. That night, lying back in the bed of a hand-me-down high boy in the hollow, rolling round and fooling round and pulling bourbon from the bottle, screaming and shouting at the shooting stars to stay a little longer, forever and ever, never, 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 never. And I didn't cry of your suicide. Just saw you sitting there forever and ever. I heard the words and they cast my memory back to playing paper football in the back of class. Of high and wide and dancing and insane, print double so we both could have the same. Drop into the junk store to buy some empty frames. Drag my shadow down Lake Murray Boulevard. No one home, so wait in your front yard. The sunshine tried to bleach away my scars, while I think about the dealer who dealt us these cards. Darkness falls on your front yard. slipping and a sliding in and out of forever. Slowly sliding and slipping down the river. Beat back the current and never